Trying to pass a prop firm challenge too fast is one of the easiest ways to break your own rules. On PropLynq, the main challenge paths are designed with no forced expiry window, but that does not mean there are no rules. The two-step challenge, one-step challenge, base challenge, and rocket model all show unlimited time on the challenge comparison page. The How It Works page explains it clearly. Two-step, one-step, and base challenge phases have no time limit, while rocket has no evaluation phase. That means you can trade at your own pace. You do not need to force trades just because a deadline is coming. This is important because a good trading process needs patience. PropLynq's evaluation rules presents no time limits as part of a transparent rule structure. But no time limit does not mean instant pass. Each challenge still has its own profit target, minimum trading days, daily loss limit, and maximum drawdown. For example, before you focus on passing, check your daily loss limit and max drawdown. These are the boundaries that protect the account, and breaking them can still fail the challenge. The real advantage of no time limit is simple. You can wait for your best setups instead of chasing the market. We warn traders on our trading education content that beginners often try to pass too quickly, while consistency is the better approach. So before you start, choose the right challenge, understand the rules, and build a plan that does not depend on rushing. In the next video, we'll explain PropLynq's daily loss limit and max drawdown rules in simple terms.